iRobot Roomba J7 Plus 7550 self-emptying robot vacuum. Identifies and avoids obstacles like pet waste and cord. Empties itself for 60 days. Smart mapping, works with Alexa, ideal for pet hair, graffiti color. Hi, welcome my friend. The world's smartest cleaning robot just got smarter, and that's genius. The Roomba J7 Plus robot vacuum with genius technology is thoughtfully designed with you and your specific needs in mind. It avoids objects in its way, including pet waste. It allows for automatic multiple cleaning a day. It empties its bin so you don't have to, and it's ready to start cleaning the moment you open the box. It does all of the work, and so that you don't have to. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.